special and collectible, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Avengers Assemble, and you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And me personally, you know me, I'm definitely a Black Panther fan. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get that. Gotta be very, very careful with this. This is very expensive. You feel me? Go ahead and slide this box out. Y'all bear with me. You want to keep everything pristine in order. You know what I'm saying? Handle with care, man. These ain't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? These ain't kids' toys, man. Ooh. Okay. What we got here? This Black Panther. We got this Black Panther statue, you feel me? Okay, it says something on the back. Avengers Assemble Statue Collection. Black Panther. I guess this is 362 out of 1,000. Okay, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna be worth some money. Let's see here. Bam. Put that body part on right there. Okay, this is one of his arms. Okay, the arms is magnetic. I like that. You feel me? And bam. That's what you got, man. You feel me? Another unboxing. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and get this to you know what I'm saying, nice safe place, you feel me? Let y'all check it out. All those dimensions, all of its detail. It's your boy K-Code, man. You already know, man. You can go shopping for them authentic products on kcode3.com, man. You feel me? And that's another unboxing from your boy. Ooh, got that Black Panther statue. Ooh, be careful. See, I told you. Alright, I'm done. Alright.